Hi, so today I want to show you a new feature in ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT now actually got a GPT4o with a Canvas. So as you can see here, it is still in beta phase. It collaborate on writing and code. So when you hear, I'm not a coder, so I am not sure what code it can be generated, but I will give it a go. But before that, let's test out the writing version. Okay, so what I want ChatGPT to write me is to write a 1,000 word blog post for a digital marketer focusing using AI for social media content creation. So this is a very simple prompt without giving too much of the specific. So it will come back to me. As you can see here, the difference is you can actually see two different panels here. On the right, it keeps generating the blog post that I asked for, and here it will actually like to keep your prompt here, like my prompt, and what ChatGPT is doing. So it's on here, but the content is on the right hand side, which is very clear. Okay, so now this is a 1,000 word blog post. As you can see, it's defined in different points. Okay, so excellent, and the conclusion as well. Okay, so now if you go down to the little pencil here, you can see you can actually add emoji. Okay, now directly from here, you can add emoji. Okay, it's actually editing. I click it too fast. Okay, so it's actually helping me to put all the emoji. For me, it is a bit too much. So I probably won't use this at the end, but I just want to show you. And on the left hand side, as you can see, it's still showing editing. Okay, so I'll just wait until it finish. Okay, excellent. And then, this is a cancel. Okay, so it's still loading. You can see here it's still loading. And then now, the second one is add final polish. So let's say if this blog post you're happy with, you can actually click the final polished. Then it will actually help you to polish the article before it get posted. And then reading level. So when you click here, so you can actually choose whether this is like graduate school level, college level, or if it's for kids like kindergarten. So you get to choose, and then it will generate use of different language. So I might just put at college level, okay, and then it should generate it again. As you can see now, the article is generating on the college level and removed all the emojis, right? Okay, that is really awesome. It's actually doing on the same article. As you can see, like before, if you remember, it will keep scrolling up, so you have to keep scrolling back to the original post and then see the difference. But now it's actually on the same page. It's actually on the same article. It gets changed. So this is really good. And adjust the length. I can adjust the length and also suggest edits. So for example, what you can do now is for this one, okay, you can actually do it by paragraph by paragraph. You can see Ask ChatGPT, or if you want to change this, you can edit or explain. Okay, so, or you can use the pencil here to just suggest edit. So I will highlight here and then suggest edit. and then it will highlight and giving me consider specifying examples of these technologies to provide more context and make the definition more concrete for readers. If I like it, I can do apply, okay, and then next one, then give me any other suggestions. You might want to briefly elaborate on how this tool addresses each of these areas, providing specific example or benefits to clarify their impact. So again, if you're happy with it, you can accept, or you can just to delete, like just ignore it, keep the original one. So I think now this one is more sophisticated. You can actually, instead of the whole article, you can do it by paragraph, which is really good, really awesome. And the thing I like is it's actually happened on one side on the same article, so I don't have to scroll back to look at it. Okay, this is perfect. I like that. So I will try the coding. Okay, as I said before, I'm not a coder, so I don't even know what to put. So please create a code for an opt-in box collating email, and please create a code for an opt-in box collecting emails on a WordPress website. I don't even know whether this works. Okay, so here is a simple code example. Okay, excellent. So it's actually giving me a code. So what I can do is I can copy this code and then embed it into my WordPress site. I think it's gonna work like that. You can further customize the styling, functionality. Yeah, would you like help integrating this with a specific email provider? Yes, maybe MailerLite with MailerLite. And then it might give me another code, you see? It's actually changing it here. So that will be an integration, I believe, to MailerLite. So just waiting it. Okay, so here, remember to replace your API key with your actual MailerLite API key. Interesting, so it's here. So every time when I see here, I replace with MailerLite API key. This is so cool. Like I'm not going to put it on my WordPress site as yet, but I think it will work and it's supposed to work. So if you have tested out, let me know in the comment. How do you find it? Did you love it? If you're a coder, what have you used it for? Share with me, and I'll see you in the next video.